In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a column in Airtable. It's a straightforward process that can transform the way you organize and manage your data. Airtable is highly versatile, combining the simplicity of a spreadsheet with the functionality of a database, making it perfect for both individuals and teams to collaborate efficiently. So let's dive in and walk through the steps together. First, make sure you're in the right place. Go ahead and open your preferred web browser and head over to Airtable's homepage. If you haven't created an account yet, take a moment to sign up. But if you already have one, the process is even more seamless. Locate the sign in button on the top right corner of the website and click on it to proceed. After clicking sign in, you'll need to enter your login credentials. Once you've entered your information, press the continue button to access your Airtable account. This will bring you to your Airtable workspace, a hub for all the bases and tables you've created. Now that you're logged in, it's time to access the specific table where you'd like to add a new column. Click on the table name you wish to modify. This will open up that table where you can see all your existing columns and rows laid out in front of you. Finding your desired table should be fairly simple from your workspace dashboard, especially if it's one you frequently use. Once you have your table open, look towards the right side of your screen for the plus sign icon labeled Add Field. This handy tool is your key to creating new columns in your table. By clicking on this plus sign, you'll prompt a new field to pop up. At this point, a window will appear prompting you to name your new column. In our example, we'll type in highlight. This is just a placeholder and you can input any relevant name that suits your data needs. Naming your column accurately here is important, as it reflects the data type or purpose the column entails and helps keep your table neatly organized. And just like that, you've successfully added a new column to your Airtable table. Wasn't that pretty simple? The beauty of Airtable is not just in its customization options, but also how intuitive it is to adapt to changes and store your data effectively. That's all there is to it. Now you're ready to enhance your Airtable workspace, making your data management more efficient and tailored to your needs. If you have more questions, feel free to explore other Airtable guides or videos. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.